In this video, we are going to see how to convert text to speech in Python using pyttsx3 module. pyttsx3 module is a text-to-speech conversion library in Python. Firstly, we need to install pyttsx3 module. To install this module, open terminal below and type pip install pyttsx3. Module is successfully installed. Let's start writing the code. First, import the module for converting text to speech. Import pyttsx3. Then create an object using pyttsx3.init for speech synthesis. Here we are using engine instance, the tool which converts text to speech. Now, give some input text, which is to be converted to speech. Now, to make speech audible, use run and wait method.
Hello friends. Welcome to PyWeb channel.
If you want to know the volume level of the speech, using get property, you can find the current volume level. And, if you want to change the volume level, then set value to required level using set property.
Hello friends. Welcome to PyWeb channel.
Volume has been reduced. Similarly, you can also change the rate of the speech using get property and set property functions. Current rate of the speech is 200. So, now set the rate to 50.
Hello friends. Welcome to PyWeb channel.
You can notice the change in the rate of speech. Not only rate and volume, you can also change the voice of the speech. Voices equals to engine.get property of voices. Engine.set property of voice, comma voices of 0 for male, and 1 for female, .id. Hello friends. Welcome to PyWeb channel. Now, let's see how to save converted audio file. Engine.save to file of. Write some text which is to be converted and save to audio.mp3. Now, run the program. Now, verify the audio file. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.